Hello, I'm Roxann Patrick. I'm the AVID elective teacher and an 8th grade ELA teacher here at South Belton Middle School. This is my 16th year teaching. Welcome to class. This is my 16th year teaching and my second year here at SBMS. A little information about our class. In the AVID elective class, our mission in the AVID program is to close the achievement gap by preparing all students for college readiness and success in a global society. And we do that in the AVID elective by making sure that we're developing students as readers and writers. We spend a lot of time practicing those two important skills, developing their content knowledge in all of the advanced courses that they're in, teaching specific strategies for reading, writing, thinking. We develop some strategies also for organization, which is really important in the middle school, and note-taking, focused note-taking that helps them to study better. Instead of just taking notes in class, we focus a lot on processing those notes, going back to them several times, studying them over the course of a week, and definitely prior to an assessment. Through all those things, as well as the college students coming in for tutorials where the students will take a point of confusion they have in an advanced course and help one another work through that point of confusion, students are able to be successful at high levels in the AVID elective. In our ELA class, we're using the units of study, and this curriculum uses a workshop model to build specific skills and strategies that make students better readers, writers, and thinkers. So in our ELA classes, each day, students are going to be participating in book club, and that book club is a silent reading, independent reading of any book of their choice, which helps them to build their stamina. Students will respond to that same book through conversations and writing after reading in class each day. They're going to learn new skills and strategies in a mini lesson, which will be a whole group lesson that's delivered to the entire class. And then students will get some guided practice, either along with the teacher or in small groups, trying to apply that strategy to a new text or a new piece of writing that they're working on. Then they will practice that skill on their own independently to show that they've mastered it. And then lastly, students will reflect on their learning. What did they learn during that workshop day, and how will it help them to be better readers, writers, and thinkers? I look forward to working with you and all of your students this year. If you have any questions in the future, you can contact me at Roxann, ROXANN Patrick, PATRICK, at bisd.net. Thank you.